what do you see? Boys and girls, this is my dog Champ. Do you know the book Brown Bear, What Do You See? Well, we're going to see what Champ sees.
Oh, what a good doggy. Champ, look. Say hi to everybody. This is Champers. This is Champers. Say hi, Champ.
Hello.
Champ, what do you see?
I see a goat looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see a pony looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see two dogs looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see a lamb looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see an alpaca looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see goats looking at me.
Champ, what do you see?
I see a baby collie looking at me.